Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about my project, which is called Countdown Timer Module. I have decided to build the Countdown Timer Module, which is a device that is capable of counting down a specific amount of time based on the user input. This module is assembled using PTK40A and PIC18F4550 microcontrollers by utilizing MPLAB and Proteus 8 Professional for programming and simulation purposes. So the components that are present in this module is a keypad, buzzer, and a display that will lets the user know the time that is left before the countdown is completed. How this module works is that the user can choose to set the timer to any amount of time, and after the countdown starts, the buzzer will be activated at 1 second interval so that the user know that the timer is running without need to constantly looking at the display. So we're gonna take a look at our coding. So we have the delay for 1 second. And for the main program, which is clear file trace D, we're going to set port D as output and clear receive, set the port C as output, and call keypad, which is a row and column, and then brush check for looping the keypad. So for the subroutine for buzzer, we have to call delay, bit file port C to A at port C2, call delay, BCF port C2, deactivate the buzzer at port C2, and DEC FSX decrease value on 77 until 0, and then brush silent we're going to call the silent function. So for the subroutine for the keypad, we have a set file trace B A port B input and port BCF port TD clear last row, and then we have BSL port D set the first row, and BTFF port B check column 1, bra keypad 2 check next button. So move LW for the value for working register, move WS is to display the 7 segment. So for the keypad, BCF port D, we're gonna clear the last row, and then for BSL port D, we're gonna set the first row, and BTFSS port B, we're gonna check the first column, which we have 0, and then we have check the column 1, and then keypad 2 for the next keypad, we're gonna check the next button, and then we're gonna put the value here, value for working register, and then move working WF to display 7 segment, and then we're gonna call siren. So if you check at keypad 2, it's the same thing. It's just that we're gonna change 1 for column 2, and then for um, keypad 3, column 3, and then keypad A, which is keypad 3, my bad, is 0, 1, 2, and then 3. So for keypad 4, it's gonna be on row 2. So the first same thing, we need to clear the first row because we're using row 2, and then we're gonna set on the second row, and then we're gonna check column 1, which is 0, column 1, and then column 2, column 3, and column 4. So on this keypad, I'm gonna use A for 10, B 11, C 12, and D is 13. So I'm gonna set star as 6 and hashtag is 9. So now we're gonna build this program, and it succeed, and we're going to file, export. Alright, yes. And now we're going for Proteus, edit properties, and OK. So now we're going to run a Proteus 8. And when I press the button 1, which is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, start and hashtag. It will be buzz one time. For number 2, number 3, and this is 10. And for the PTK40A, I think there's a problem with the wiring, I guess, because my coding is working completely fine for number keypad 4 and 7. this is star 6 and hashtag is 9. And last one I'm going to show you for the D. So it's going to buzz 13 times. So that is it for me today. So I'm gonna post next video for my function for PTK40A. And thank you.